2002 Honda S2000 yellow convertible with a black top, black wheel. What we did on it is remove this, and we did something special. We'll show you guys in a minute. So we removed that. Still got the stock catalytic converter right there. Then there's where we removed the resonator right there. And then we did something special. We put these mufflers come like a bi-directional, whatever you want to call it. And he wanted a little bit more noise, so you put these pipes where it connects it right into the outlet pipe. So it goes straight to the outlet of the tip. One on this side, you see what I'm talking? Right there. And one on this side, something different. Like an H-pipe kind of thing, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. What do you call it, Tim?
Twin loop muffler.
What?
It's a twin loop bypass.
A twin loop bypass. There you go. So you guys can comment and make fun of me as much as you want. It's a twin loop bypass on this damn mufflers. Yeah. And now I look stupid. Thank you guys. And that's it. S2000. 2002. You gotta get those tires warm.